Hubei Wanli Protective Products Company Limited is a reputable company founded in 2006, located in Xiantao, China. It covers an area of 150,000 square meters, with a total staff of about 800 people, owns 6 cleanrooms of ISO Class 8. Products are exported to over 80 countries. We have been focusing on innovating, testing, manufacturing, trading, PPE and nonwoven fabrics for 20 years. Our company specializes in manufacturing high-quality personal protective products, including FFP1, 2, 3 respirators, medical masks, Type 3, 4, 5, 6 coveralls, AAMI Class 1, 2, 3, 4 isolation gowns, surgical gowns. We pride ourselves on owning production lines for spunbond, non-woven fabric, and microporous film. As of now, we are the only Chinese manufacturer producing raw material fabric non-woven products. We own innovation and testing laboratory for consistent technical innovation and quality assurance. Our lab has applied for CNAS accreditation. The testing service covers qualification standards of wide range of PPE products. These tests are filtration efficiency, blood penetration, hydrostatic pressure, microbial cleanliness. Our quality system is ensured by ISO 13485 and 9001. Human rights system is certified by BSCI and SEDEX. We are also certified to the Global Recycled Standard. With a team of experienced professionals and advanced technology, Hubei Wanli has positioned itself as a leader in the PPE industry. The company is constantly striving to improve products, making sure that customers can rely on the products for maximum protection.